How do I switch on local multiplayer on Uno game?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to set up local multiplayer in the Uno game. Get your cards ready, gather your friends, and let's dive in.
What is local multiplayer?
Local multiplayer refers to a mode in the game where multiple players can play on the same device or connected devices on the same local network. In the case of Uno, this means you can enjoy the fun with your friends and family on one console or device.
Starting the game.
First, you'll need to launch the Uno game on your console or device. Make sure you're on the main menu screen. The options you'll see depend on the version and platform of your Uno game, but typically you will find options like Play, Settings, Leaderboards, etc.
Accessing the multiplayer mode.
Next, you will need to select the Play option. Here, you'll be able to choose between different game modes, such as single-player, online multiplayer, and local multiplayer. Navigate through these options and select Local Multiplayer.
Setting up the local multiplayer game.
Now, you will get to a screen where you can configure your local multiplayer game. This typically includes options to choose the number of players, AI opponents, if any, game rules, and more. Have each player connect their controller for consoles or set up their controls for PC and choose their player slot. After everyone is ready, you can start the game. That's it. Now you know how to set up a local multiplayer game in Uno. Gather your friends, decide on your rules, and enjoy the exciting gameplay Uno has to offer. Have fun and may the best player win!